Infocomm in TJC is unique as you are exposed to a wide range of activities from photography to AV to programming. In addition, not only do we have extensive equipment and facilities for our members, we also have a wonderful support group of our tutors and peers that are willing and able to help us.
So what have I learned through IFC? Of course, we learn a lot about AV work and photography as well as programming, but I think the most important of all is communication and teamwork. As a service PDP, we have to work very closely with our fellow crewmates, and it's very important that we learn how to communicate effectively within our groups.
As a junior joining Infocomm Club, you can look forward to having access to a variety of exceptional equipment, allowing you to develop your skills in photography, videography, and using AV equipment so that you can better serve the college while also developing your own personal interests. Additionally, you can look forward to being able to take charge of your own learning during dedicated PDP hours and develop your own personal interests, culminating in an IFC exhibition allowing you to showcase your talents.